Hi there, it's Tim. I'm here with Jordan, and we're about to shoot down in Esquilmalt Lagoon. It is freezing cold.
Yep.
She just used the change tent. How's that?
Wasn't as bad as I thought. A little sheltered.
A little sheltered from the wind. We're going to spend maybe like 5 or 10 minutes here, I think, or until her lips go blue, which maybe never. That's awesome lipstick. Make sure you follow Jordan on Instagram. Your Instagram handle is?
It's Jordan Collins.
Awesome. I'm going to put that down below. I'm going to take some B-roll. I've got the Xiaomi on top of the Sony. Yeah, come with us. Check it out. Let us know what you think down below.
Bye.
Rotate your chest towards me. Lovely. Whoop. Don't fall. You're not allowed to fall. This is on camera. Look straight as you can. 5. You're welcome. You're great. Up in. Alrighty, so part 2. We're done down to the water. That was cold.
Yeah.
That was cold. But now we're going to rotate all the way around here, and we're at Hatley Castle. So that looks pretty awesome. So I'm going to take some shots here, go down to the garden, take some shots, back to the car, warm up. Sound good?
Sounds perfect.
She's been such a trooper. So far, so good. Stay, stop. That's it. That's exactly where I need you. Love it. Okay, turn around, face that way, and then come back to me in 3, 2, 1. Go. Cool. And really good, Jennifer Jordan. Really, really pretty. Look straight up into the sky. Look that way towards that sky. Awesome. I know it's loony times, but still, you never know. That's lovely. Jordan's like, yes, we're almost done. 3,